Before it becomes the window to another world, it starts here. The blueprint of a new vision.
This is the environment of perfection, where dust is the enemy.
Precision engineering on a microscopic scale.
This is the nervous system.
Every millimeter is calculated, every curve optimized for performance and aesthetics.
The foundation of strength. The architect of the industrial dream.
To build the biggest screen, you need the biggest workshop.
Massive scale begins with fundamental purity.
Material is character. Strong, light, and ready to be transformed.
Structure and protection. The synthetic shell takes shape. The human eye remains the ultimate quality gate. From granules, form takes shape. The conductor of the future.
The first step of deconstruction, understanding the physical reality with absolute clarity.
From digital blueprint, the command is issued. The code is the language of creation.
The moment of transformation is violent, yet controlled.
Waste is managed. Resources are reclaimed. The cycle of manufacturing.
Old methods lead to noise, heat, and wasted energy. The new TV must solve this fundamental pain point.
The new paradigm. Organization and automation, ensuring consistency. Clamped down, zeroed out, ready for the next layer of precision. Changing weapons. Every surface demands a unique approach.
The first step towards an optical finish. Zero defects.
Monitoring temperature in real time. Heat is the enemy of precision.
A structure built to house a universe of light. But a masterpiece is first built, line by line, in the digital realm. The aluminum is here. Now, the reduction begins. Establishing absolute zero tolerance. Every calculation starts here. The metal is locked down, ready for its first test of strength. The digital twin is verified. No room for error in the sequence.
The initial cuts require pure strength and a perfect edge.
Breaking down the block into manageable pieces. Rough cut, pure force.
The hidden battleground, controlling heat to extend life and performance.
The feed, millions of granules rushing to the injection press. Heat and pressure, the plastic compound is prepared for total transformation.
The byproduct of power. Nothing is wasted.
Confirmed.
The initial assembly, where the components meet the blueprint. Hundreds of connections, forged by liquid fire.
Defect analysis.
Surface perfection is non-negotiable for a premium finish.
Precision requires safety. The master craftsman respects the machine's power.
The marriage of engineering and design. Function, but beautiful. Sustained speed requires perfect feed and perfect tool life.
Confirmation is digital. The data never lies. Every piece aligned, ready for its final destiny. Harnessing the current. The core of the power supply.
The fitment test, sealing the internals from the external world.
The human element. Skill and patience guide the final connection. The final seal. Light, durable, and engineered for acoustics.
Every technician is a guardian of quality.
The power surges through for the first time. The stage is set. The true transformation now begins. The perfect material requires the perfect weapon. Diamond coating for peak performance.
The core structure is revealed, removing everything that is not the TV.
Perfect chips mean perfect cut. No vibration, no compromise.
The core tool. A steel fortress built to withstand tons of pressure. Temperature control is crucial. Cooling channels ensure perfect polymerization.
The final touch. Microns of imperfection are removed by human hand.
The moment of form. Liquid pressure fills every corner of the digital design. Tons of force compress the plastic, holding the shape under extreme pressure.
The birth of the component, clean separation, ready for cooling.
Slow, deliberate cooling ensures zero distortion. Patience is precision.
Perfect positioning, executed by automation. Ready for the glass. Human skill remains the final auditor of automation.
Acoustic precision. Thousands of micro holes. Zero interference.
The brain is installed. The digital heart begins to beat. Torque control, holding the structure together with calibrated force. Double check every time. No room for vibration or flex. The final clean, ensuring zero particles interfere with the optics. A proprietary blend for optical clarity. No streaks, no haze. Automated perfection, replicating the best of human precision, endlessly. The face of the TV. The perfect alignment of glass and metal. The fitment. The final dimension is locked. Internal order creates external silence. The cables must not vibrate.
The unit is sealed. Ready for power. Ready for the world.
The mark of quality. Forged by light. Transformation is complete. Now,
The validation begins.
The moment of awakening. Power flows through the new network.
From darkness, light. The vast canvas is ready.
Millions of pixels, checked one by one. Uniformity is the mandate.
Other bases. Checking for dead pixels or color shift. Optical integrity is paramount.
Sculpting the metal. Creating space for silence and efficiency.
The finished edge. Zero burr. Perfect fitment.
Synchronized assembly. Perfect tension across the entire surface.
Environmental sealing, protecting the internals from humidity and dust. Efficient thermal management ensures longevity. Cool and composed.
Tested beyond the limit. Extreme environments. Stable performance.
Acoustic calibration, ensuring every sound wave is perfectly clean. The anti-glare shield. Perfection for daylight viewing. Optimized for minimal reflection, maximum immersion.
The roadmap of power and data. Organized for serviceability and stability. Molecular bonding. Creating a single, unified structure.
No defect escapes the sensor. Millisecond monitoring of every surface.
The final code is loaded. Intelligence is now installed.
Mission control separated. The TV is now autonomous.
The cosmetic perfection. The human touch refines the machine's work. Ready for the showroom. Flawless reflection.
Protection applied. Preparing for the journey. Cased and secured. Ready for the final stage. The final commitment. Guaranteed integrity. Ready for global distribution. From the factory floor to the world's most luxurious homes. The transformation is complete. The masterpiece is in transit.
The surface is honed to perfection. Micro-tolerances achieved through sheer force and control.
The texture is deliberate. Ready for the next stage of finishing. Testing against real-world chaos. The structure must withstand extreme kinetic energy. Fitment is locked. No resonance, no distortion in the final image.
The aesthetic boundary. Seamless integration of metal and glass.
Measured in microns. The difference between a product and a masterpiece. The trial by fire, running 24/7 to guarantee pixel stability and color consistency.
Internal order prevents signal interference. The quiet architecture of performance.
The window of connection. Invisible technology meets the world.
A reliable response guaranteed for instant command.
Final dimensional check. Every point verified against the master CAD model. Precision confirmed. Ready for the load test.
The
The final reveal. Unblemished, flawless metal.
The surface is a mirror, reflecting the commitment to excellence.
Connectivity confirmed. Ready for maximum bandwidth.
The structural integrity test, pushing the frame beyond consumer limits.
The structure holds. Engineered for life.
The final mounting, ready to stand firm.
The completed form, a statement of minimal elegance. Security integrated, protection for every environment.
Entering the final gate, the environment of ultimate quality.
The final visual inspection, searching for the invisible defect.
The aesthetics must match the engineering. Flawless.
Shock-proof protection. The final layer of defense for transit.
Precision packaged, ready to face the test of logistics.
The ultimate acoustic test, verifying that the sound system is clean, pure, and free of internal resonance.
Measuring distortion in the subwoofer range. Deep sound without vibration.
Simulating air cargo transport, ensuring the structural integrity under pressure. The impact test, engineering the packaging to absorb the inevitable shock. The ultimate test of packaging design. Protection is paramount.
The immediate inspection. If the box fails, the product must still be perfect.
Success confirmed. The engineering holds true. Organized for global demand. Efficiency in motion. Sealed for security and weather. Ready for any environment. The final transfer. Handled with care that respects the precision within.
Locked down for the long haul. Zero movement guaranteed.
The work is done. The product is released to its destiny. The journey begins. From precision engineering to the point of experience. The culmination of 1,000 precise steps. Arriving where it belongs.
The journal ends. The legacy begins.
The journey ends, but the experience begins. Unveiling the legacy of precision. Secured to the wall. Massive scale. Minimalist presence. The universe of color is revealed. From the factory floor to the world of limitless entertainment. Perfect black for ultimate depth. Engineered contrast that defines reality. Beyond a product, it is a centerpiece, connecting generations through shared moments.
When off, it is art. When on, it is a world.
Zero latence. Perfect response time, engineered from the circuitry up.
Every detail contributes to the immersive experience. Sound without distortion. A clean, powerful sonic experience built into the framework. The product is complete. The story is now yours.